The dashboards within CSUN Counts are set up to be similar to one another to help you navigate each dashboard with ease. So let's take a look at some of these key features. On the left-hand side of every dashboard, you'll notice a list of filters. Filters allow you to restrict and narrow down the data that you are seeing to specific populations. For example, you can filter the data by college, department, program, student gender, student ethnicity, and several other factors. You can customize the data down to the population that you're interested in using these filters. On the bottom left-hand side of the dashboards, you'll see several control buttons: undo, redo, revert, refresh, and pause. The undo button allows you to erase the last change done to the dashboard. The redo button allows you to restore any action that was previously undone. The revert button allows you to revert back to the original dashboard settings, which can be helpful when you want to start your inquiry from the beginning. The refresh button refreshes the data source in the background. If you're using multiple filters within a dashboard, you'll notice it takes a few seconds for the data to process after each filter. To save some time, you can use the pause button to stop the dashboard from processing after each filter selection. The pause button changes to resume when in the pause mode. Once you have made your filter selections, you can click on resume to have the dashboard process the data using all of your filter selections. Using the Share button on the bottom right of the dashboard, you are able to retrieve a link to share with others or copy embed code to embed the view into a website if desired. Using the Download button on the bottom right of the dashboard, you have the ability to download any data that you find interesting or want to save for later use. When you click Download, you'll be presented with several file formats to download your data as either an image, which saves as a PNG file, data, which saves the selection within the table or chart as a text file, crosstab, which saves the selection within the table or chart as a CSV file that can open in Excel, a PDF, or a PowerPoint slide. After you select a file format, you will be asked to select what you want to include from the dashboard, and will have the ability to select the full view with the filters, table and charts or specific sheets from these dashboards, which allows you to select only the chart or table from the dashboard. As you are exploring CSUN Counts, you may run into unfamiliar terminology, such as ethnicity group or continuation rate. The IR glossary of terms can be found on the CSUN Counts homepage